Black belt, counter, pistol to the head. Start the technique by assuming a submissive posture. This will get your hands closer to the weapon and take the opponent's mind off of your intent. Grab the opponent's wrist or forearms while simultaneously ducking your head. Step across his body, getting your foot past or even with his foot. Twist his arms over to off-balance him. Once the opponent is off balance, grab the weapon, twist the muzzle towards the opponent's head between his forefinger and thumb. The opponent may not have a round chambered. Ensure that you rack the slide to chamber a round, and then cover your opponent. Black belt, counter, pistol to the head.